Were you waiting for a delivery too? I got my brand new package. Let's see together what's inside. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from Leica M-mount, Italy, and I finally received my brand new one lens Sony. I was waiting for this package for the last 2 weeks. It was the time that it took from Canada to be delivered to Italy. I had to pay the customs fee, of course, to release that, but finally they delivered the package right in time, because tomorrow here it's Ferragosto and everything is closed, so I was not expecting until next week, but it had this beautiful surprise, and so I had to live 1 week without cameras because I was using my 1-inch sensor here for the long Italian summer, but then I got rid of it when I got the news about this Sony camera upcoming here, and so in the last week I was completely without a camera. But I will make an episode just to let you know how it feels for a photographer to live without a camera. Of course I still had my smartphone, but that's not a solution, guys. I suffered a bit, I have to say, so this is why I'm oh so happy today, despite the customs fee didn't make it such an appealing deal, but it's still a very good deal. So let's see together what's inside this box, and then I'm gonna start using this camera. There will be a lot of user error because I'm new to the new Sony software, but let's see together what we can get out of this beautiful full frame camera for stills and for video. So guys, yeah, here we have our box. Let's open it together. I was so impatient that I waited for it for 2 good weeks, but finally it came here, and inside, as you can see, that's the box of my actually second Sony that I own, greetings card and some other bubbles. And let's see inside the box. We have the manuals, of course. I'm not gonna read that. And then we have here, what is this? Very much appreciated the grip, the additional grip from the A7C R cable, and then charger. All right, I'm not gonna use that here in Europe. And this is, oh, the thumb rest, thank you for that. Then we have the original Sony strap, which I'm gonna mount on the camera, and this one I imagine is going to be my new camera, guys. A7C Mark II, 33 megapixel stabilized, good for video and for photos, and paired with my new one lens only. Now let's keep it with a bit of a suspense, because you know it was so well packed that it's taking a while to unpack it. And it's a Sony 28mm f2, which I used already. Now let's assemble all these parts together. This is the additional grip, that it's an accessory if you have the A7C Mark II. For the A7CR, it's included in the box, and as you can see, you still have the screw to mount it on a tripod, and you can just flip it up when you want to change the battery, so you don't have to remove it each and every time. And now let's align the 2 white dots, which is one on the body and one on the glass. Oh, that's something, let me blow it off. Okay, and now we can finally mount my new one lens only. I put this hood upside down, and then there's only one thing missing, which is the battery. I'm gonna have to check whether it is charged already or not, because I had to order it separately because batteries could not fly with Canada Post, and I'm assuming I will have to recharge it completely today. So I can't wait to use this camera, but I will have to wait a couple hours more in order to recharge the battery, and I don't like to recharge it in body. I will get probably an additional charger. Yeah, as I thought, it's completely dead. So let's be patient. I'm gonna try out this camera in the next few days and see how it works. So stay tuned because more and more episodes are coming in the next few days. I'm gonna test all the settings for the video, all the settings for the still, the AF tracking. I'm gonna shoot in Lake Como, I'm gonna shoot in Milan city center. The Italian long summer is still ongoing here, so there are plenty of occasions to discover new hidden gems and new places, and I will share with you. So stay tuned. If you have questions about this brand new one lens Sony, either the glass or the camera, just write it down here in the comment. Please, if you enjoyed this video, do not hesitate to share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later, guys. Thank you very much for watching and keep enjoying your August.